Hi, and welcome to MarineMax Lake Norman. We're sitting on the brand new Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. I'm Caleb Wolf.
And I'm Leo Johnson. Let's hop aboard and check her out. Welcome aboard our 320 Sundancer from Sea Ray. You see, starting here at the aft, we have option this boat with the hydraulic swim platform. Makes for really easy in and out of the boat when you're out on the lake or out on the water. Really easy hydraulic operation. Great for friends and family to get in and out. Speaking of the aft section here, we do have really great storage here for things like your shore power lines. This also houses your battery switch, as well as a wash down, and some other electrical components. In addition to your switching there, you do have some great storage under your aft lounger, as well as a really nice 90-degree turn here on the stern drive variant. Really nice, popular feature on these boats. Coming inboard, you'll notice we do have a stereo head unit up here, as well as a nice block-off door to keep kids and pets inside. Transom shower makes it easy for getting in and out of the water. And then in here, you're gonna have controls for your hydraulic platform. As we continue to walk in this boat, you'll see that we've optioned it with the SeaDeck flooring. It's really great on your feet, really great durable material. In addition to that, we have it in the stone interior color. Makes for a very comfortable, nice, good looking boat out on the water. Up here on our starboard side, you'll notice we do have a wet bar. We're going to have a Kenyan grill, nice dedicated garbage, pull out refrigerator, and a nice sink. Also going to have electrical as well as air conditioning all throughout the top side of the boat here. Really convenient way to get out on the water. Lastly but not least, here at the stern, we do have a power shade. Comes out and covers up that whole sun pad. Makes for really good lounging out on the water when you're on anchor or at a sandbar. Stepping up here to the helm of our 320 Sundancer, you'll notice it's a very commanding position up here. You have great control over the boat, great visibility, as well as great access to your systems and your switching. This boat does have twin throttles, of course, with the inboard Merc Cruisers, as well as the Merc Cruiser Skyhook and joystick system. You'll notice we're sat here on Skyhook, holding the boat position while we take this video. It's also great for setting up your dock lines and fenders. Makes it super easy, especially to operate the boat short-handed. In addition to that, you're going to have great accent lighting throughout the boat, which is all controlled up here. Fully customizable, makes for a killer look at the lake on a nice evening. In addition to that, Lenco trim tabs, as well as your windlass anchor controls are over here on your starboard side. Spotlight, windshield wiper, everything you'd ever want to get out on the lake.
All right, guys, follow me up to the bow here. You'll notice we have a nice, deep, secure side walkthrough coming up front. Once we get up here, this is where the party happens. You got an awesome lounger here, flip down armrest, super comfortable. You got access to your Fusion stereo head over there on the starboard side. 2 Fusion speakers. You got cup holders. You even have access, really easy access up here to your windlass. You got your remote control here. You even have access down to your chain and line. Super easy. You even got a spotlight equipped on this boat too. And you also have your split bow rails. It feels super secure up here. Great spot to put your fenders as well. Just a really awesome thing that you don't see on a lot of cabin cruisers. It's a great spot to hang out and really secure. All right, guys, welcome down to the cabin here. First thing you'll notice is it's super spacious for a 32-foot boat. You got plenty of room to lounge and hang out down here. You got wraparound seating. This cushion will pop up into a table. You got your fridge, your microwave down here. Awesome teak accenting throughout. You even got your 32-inch TV down here. Plenty of storage as well. We'll hop over to the head space. This one comes equipped with your head, your glass sink. You got a nice mirror in there. You also have a hookup for your shower, clean up after a fun day. And this thing sleeps 4, so when you come down here, you'll look underneath aft. You got plenty of room down there as well. It's an awesome weekender, plenty of room. You got AC heat down here. You'll be comfortable for any of your excursions. Well, thanks for watching our video here on this beautiful 320 Sundancer with Sea Ray.
If you like what you saw, come by our store, check us out at MarineMax.com, and subscribe to this YouTube channel to see more videos just like this.